Stan Store versus Shopify, which one is better? Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you another compare and contrast, which is in depth to see whether or not Stan Store or Shopify fits your needs better from one or the other. So we're going to start with Shopify, which is an e-commerce platform where business owners can create and manage their own online stores. It has all the tools for inventory, shipping, and advertising and customer support. And we're going to start with this. So choose Shopify if you sell physical and digital products, which is services, ebooks, and online courses. Need a platform that can grow with your business. Want multiple third-party integrations and apps. Need advanced SEO or search engine optimization and marketing tools. And want to sell on multiple platforms aside from your website, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. When it comes to the pros and cons, the pros for Shopify are easy to use, simple interface and design tools to get an online store up and running fast, thousands of integrations. Shopify has over 8,000 apps to add custom features and functionality to your site, 24/7 support, cart recovery, which is every plan has a cart recovery, so customers who left items in their cart will be prompted to complete purchases, shipping discounts. Shopify plans have competitive shipping rates with discounts of up to 88% from DHL Express, USPS, and UPS, and multiple selling options. Sell online or in person through your store, social channels, blogs, online marketplaces, or in retail stores with Shopify POS. When it comes to the cons, they are as follows. Expensive plans. Top-tier plans are more expensive than Squarespace and Wix. Blogging limitations. While Shopify is great for online sales, blogging and content marketing features are not as strong as WordPress and Squarespace, which makes sense because WordPress is a blogging site. High transaction fees. Although there are no transaction fees with Shopify payments, using a third-party payment provider incurs a 0.5% to 2% transaction fee. When it comes to pricing, while Shopify does not offer a free plan, it does provide a brief 3-day free trial, which you can try. Although this duration may not allow for a comprehensive exploration of the platform's tools and features, you can benefit from Shopify's introductory promos, which allows you to start your first month for only $1, which is pretty good. So as you can see here, basic plan is $25, Shopify for small teams, $65, advanced for $399, and plus is at $2,300. And here we are going to go, before we go to Stan Store, we're going to do a comprehensive comparison, a pretty much side-by-side comparison for pricing and other stuff. So with pricing, Stan Store Creator for $29 per month or $300 per year. Creator Pro is $99 per month or $948 per year. Save 20% if you pay annually. For Shopify, again, we just went over this. Shopify starting is $65, basic is $25. Shopify, $65. Advanced is $399, and Shopify Plus is $2,300. And you can save 25% if you pay annually. E-commerce features. Stan Store provides a straightforward platform for establishing an online store equipped with essential e-commerce functionalities for selling digital goods. Shopify enables the creation of comprehensive products pages designed to educate and encourage customers to include items in their shopping carts. When it comes to the marketing tools for Stan Store, it offers essential marketing tools, including affiliate links designed to enhance engagement and drive additional sales. For Shopify, Shopify allows you to generate discount codes directly within its platform, helping you to draw in more customers and elevate your sales figures. Stan Store is a digital platform designed with the goal of converting followers into paying customers. Imagine your link in bio not just as a doorway, but as a money-making storefront. So, as you can see here, Stan Store has an overall score of 4.5 out of 5. Stan Store provides everything you need to build a profitable online store with an intuitive drag-and-drop store builder and built-in marketing tools. Anyone can create a beautiful e-commerce website. Now we are going to go through the pros and cons. The pros are as follows. Easy to use store builder. Best link in bio style storefront option available. Built-in email plus social marketing. The con, however, limited payment gateway options. Now, who is Stan Store for? So, Stan Store are for number 1, digital product sellers. Number 2, educators and coaches. Number 3, influencers with merchandise. Number 4, creative entrepreneurs. Number 5, service providers. And number 6, email marketers. So as you can see on the screen right now, these are all of them. And when it comes to Stan Store rating breakdown, so we gave you like just the general breakdown earlier. So now we're going to break it down through factors. So number 1 is ease of use, 4.2 out of 5, which is quite easy to use. Customer support is 3.8 out of 5. They have an AI support mainly, and you have to email step that up. Of course, you just don't rely on AI support. You need people behind that too. Number 3 is tools it offers, which is marketing, SEO, and product tools. 3.8 out of 5. Not a ton of tools offered, so it's very bare bones. 25-point feature checklist is 4.1 out of 5. Testing project is 4.2 out of 5. Customer user rating score is 4.8 out of 5 based on 186 users. And the overall rating of Stan Store, again, is 4.15 out of 5. And there you have it. When it comes to the plans and pricing, Stan Store adopts 2 pricing models, Creator and Creator Pro plan. Each of these options offers unique benefits and fits different categories of customers. And on the screen right now, you can see the breakdown of each plan and what users get for their money. There you have it. Just look at the screen for a minute. Let's break down Creator, which is $29 per month. With the Creator plan, users pay as little as $29 monthly to get access to mobile and desktop optimized stores, calendar invites and bookings, product analytics, unlimited course products, one-tap checkout, recurring subscription products, and audience/newsletter builder. When it comes to Creator Pro, which is $99 per month, it's pricey, the Pro plan comes with everything the Creator plan offers, but with unique extras. Some of the additional offers you can expect with the Pro offer include advanced pricing and payment plans, discount codes, limit quantity, payment plans, order bumps and upsells, funnel builder, affiliate share feature, email marketing, and $99 per month, or save $20 with our annual plan of $948 per year. Right? So this plan works best for creators with experience with a digital business but wishes to improve their conversion and increase their earnings. So that is Stan Store. Now, before we go, we are going to show you a side-by-side comparison. Well, not side-by-side, but we're going to show you a comparison between a print from Stan Store and a print from Shopify. So this is a print from Stan Store, as you can see here. And this is a print from Shopify. There you go. There you have it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.